Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the code on Weiser Powerbolt 3 door lock step by step. So first of all, you need to start from the inside part of the Weiser Powerbolt 3. So you need to simply slide off the battery cover so that you can access the small program button inside it. So you don't need to factory reset the lock just to change a user code. You just have to first of all simply press this particular power button once. After that, you need to simply go back and on the keypad you just have to press 2. Then you need to press the Weiser button or this lock button, and then you just have to simply enter the old user code that you want to replace. Afterwards, you need to press the Weiser button again, and then you need to enter the same old code once more time. Then you need to press the Weiser button again. So if it is successful, the keypad is going to flash green light and the old code will stop working immediately. Now, in order to add the new code, you just have to simply press the program button once again. Afterwards, you just have to simply press 1. Then you need to press the Weiser button. Then you need to enter your 4 to 8 digit user code that you want to set. After that, you need to press the Weiser button again in order to basically save that particular code. Now, you can also test the new pin immediately. So when you press the Weiser button to lock the door, then you can test the new code that you have just created. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.